and welcome to Minute Article. I would like to talk about DevOps that emerge from an increasing need for innovation against the silos and inflexibilities of the traditional business practices, widening the footpath for the technical community by setting a perfect example of cultural philosophy. Aiming to automate and facilitate the system development cycle, the essence of DevOps unites automation, collaboration, continuous integration, continuous testing, continuous monitoring, and continuous deliveries with rapid remediation. With the DevOps approach combining the set of practices that enables the team responsible for software development and IT operations, organizations can benefit from accelerated time to market, cost optimization, better workflow management, reliable releases, and quick bug fixing. Incentivizing developers with automation, operations with system stability, test engineers with continuous innovation, product managers with continuous deliveries, and executives with accelerated time to market. DevOps has succeeded in systematizing business processes with customer-centric requirements. The colliding of the isolated teams of software development and IT operations with lack of skill set may create project delays, more rundowns, and a lesser scope of innovation. Will this technical path lead to a massive roadblock? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insights. This is me, Madhuri Desai, signing off.